Hey everyone, so I thought today I would do a paint mixing video. This is for your base paints. I am going to use Payne's Gray from Creative Inspirations, only because I'm using it for a painting that I'm going to do later today. But your whites and your blacks, whatever colors you're using, they'll all get mixed pretty much the same way. That's the way that I do it anyway. There's no right, there's no wrong. So I have a little container here which has marks for 1 cup, 2, and 3. I do get these at Dollar Tree, you get 2 for $1, so if you have a Dollar Tree, check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and add about a cup of paint. Okay. And to that, I'm going to add a little bit of Floetrol to get it started. I do strain my Floetrol, and I use the Flood Floetrol. So a little bit less than half a cup to get it started. It's all about stirring. You're a painter, you know, we stir and stir and stir. I'm using a paint stick. I did use this for varnish, so when I wiped it off, it left a nice coating on there, so when I mix paint, I just wipe it off. So you can see it's still pretty thick. So we're going to go ahead and add some more Floetrol. Now, if you were mixing this to paint with, you'd be right about there. But since it's a base paint, we want it thinner. Just a little bit more Floetrol. Sometimes you will catch some pretty big boogers in your strainer from that Floetrol. I use so much of it that it doesn't have time to really get those in there, but you never know, so I strain it anyway. And then we'll just add water, a little bit at a time. And I do use purified water. Now, if you find that your paint is still too thick and you have no room left, you'll have to divvy it up between 2 containers and add water to them. Or you can put it in a bigger container. So it still needs more water. You really have to stir to incorporate that water in there, because it will sit on top. So I pick the stick up and push down. Okay, so almost there, just a tad more water. That should probably do it. The nice thing with these containers too, they have this little spot here that says date. You could write on here, just in black marker, just write base paint, just base, so you know that there's no silicone or glue in it, and that it's thinner. You don't want to use that just for painting, because the consistency is much thinner than what we use for painting. want to show you how it runs. So I'm going to go ahead and take my stick out. Probably make a mess. Okay, so I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to put it on, let me grab a tile. Just so I can show you how it runs. Do it this way. So let's say you're putting it on your canvas. The best way to check it is to put it on a tile and make sure it's going to run. You want that to pour right off. You could go a little thinner than this as well, but for what I'm going to use this for today, I want it just at this consistency right here. I'm going to be doing some string pulls. But that's all there is to it, guys. So it's about a cup of paint, 2 cups of Floetrol, and about a cup of water. And that'll bring you to consistency. Easy peasy. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click like and share. Hit that notification button next to the subscribe button and you'll get a message when I upload new videos. Check out my Amazon shop for supplies. We have Stone Coat resin code below as well. If you're starting to resin, grab that art resin that they're offering with the discount. The code is CWA, all in caps. You'll get $30 off an $80 order. Check out my Redbubble, join me on Facebook, and check out my Etsy store. Thanks so much, guys, and I will see you all on the next one.